Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to plug a mixing board directly into your DSLR camera. So I have here my Behringer mixing board, and this mixing board is set for audio for two microphones. You have two outputs there. You have a headphone section here which we're going to use, and the cable I'm using is the normal jack cable that you tend to use for speakers, PC speakers. So same thing, both ends, 3.5 millimeter. So if I put that into here, and then that headphone jack will be outputting into my DSLR camera. The DSLR camera has a mic input which will be on the side. So if I raise that and then put the mic in, the levels can be controlled on the headphones from the control knob on the Behringer. So that will be there. If I do a test now and turn this on for a recording, you can go record. Let me see if I can put something like that there and just focus on that. Okay, so we've got an action camera here we're looking at, and if I press record, so this is a recording of this action camera. Actually, I don't do a recording of the Behringer. There you go. So right now you will be seeing it probably way too high, but I'm speaking into the microphone, and that's going directly into the DSLR camera, which is here. So that's the DSLR camera, and it's recording directly into the DSLR camera via the lead, which is going into the microphone. So this will give you a sample. I'll put this up, load this up, so you can actually see what this looks like. And this is how to quickly set audio from your mixer board directly into your DSLR. It's recording directly into the DSLR camera via the lead, which is going into the microphone. This will give you a sample. I'll put this up, load this up, so you can actually see what this looks like. And this is how to quickly set audio from your mixer board directly into your DSLR if you are recording a podcast or something like that.